Hi guys, today I am gonna custom this tote bag for my sister birthday's gift, and this is how I made it. So now, I am ready with this. Let's do it! I'll draw the moon and write her name on that. It will look special for her. This is combination of black, gray, and white. I am done with the moon. And now let's write her name. I will use this yellow for the name, but let's remove this tape first. Before I use this, let's sketch first. I use this marker to mark it as shadow or something like that. I am done. Let's surprise her. Before that, I will coat it with clear spray paint first. And this is the result. Wait for her reaction.